The year 2009 was a crucial year for the crypto business, as it changed the future of the fintech business perpetually incredibly. This is basically in light of the fact that the year by and large had a place with the crude digital currency Bitcoin. Pushing ahead to 2015, the year likewise fundamentally had a place with the most certainly the biggest altcoin Ethereum and the chain which has been constant with its improvements Cardano. The Cardano network certainly is effectively delegated as quite possibly of the most adaptable framework on the planet monetary discussion. The organization generally has been quick advancing to be the main friend explored and a flawlessly versatile chain in a sort of large manner. The stage relies upon the verification of stake instrument, which really helps it triumph its adversaries, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. This is finished by bypassing commonly persevering manageability banters in an unpretentious manner. Cardano basically is presently laying out its reign and utility at an immaculate rate, or so they certainly thought. Subsequently, the journey to drive the cost directions keeps on becoming stronger, or so they thought. Make a plunge as we present to you the conceivable value expectation of Cardano's ADA for 2022 and then some, which is genuinely huge. Cardano crypto value expectation for Q4. Cardano's vassal sort of hard fork has apparently in every practical sense cut down gas charges by half in the interpretation size, which basically is very huge. The producers fundamentally certify that with the redesign clients currently explicitly get 10x investment funds on space at around 50% of the cost, which sort of is genuinely huge. In the event that this tempts financial backers, ADA's cost could chug up to an in every practical sense limit of 65 cents in an unobtrusive way. On the in every practical sense flip side, Cardano's exchange volumes for the most part have been in a consistent decay. The exchange volume as of the 30th of September has essentially dropped to $4.44 b. The street ahead appears to especially be exceptionally dull for Cardano. An exasperating position could finish up the year at 42 cents. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on the kind of normal cost could settle at 56 cents. ADA crypto value expectation for 2023. A consistent grade in conspicuousness is in every practical sense basic for Cardano, as the outcomes will ultimately consider ADA's cost in a significant manner. In sort of such a hopeful situation, we in every practical sense anticipate that the ADA cost should reach as commonly high as $1.13, which is genuinely critical. On the disadvantage, on the off chance that things win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at 59 cents. Progressively, a balance in the trading tensions could land the especially normal cost at 85 cents, which is genuinely critical. ADA coin value expectation for 2024. DeFi's and Cardano's developing predominance in the area could basically become basic for Cardano. Besides, the raising count of designers would assist with enhancing the arranged drives of the organization, wherefore the cost of ADA could explicitly move to an essentially limit of $2.01 toward the finish of 2024. Be that as it may, on the off chance that the more extensive market generally goes over a potential monetary emergency or administrative bottlenecks, the altcoin could drop to $1.04. That being said, the customary cost could by and large settle at $1.54. Cardano value expectation for 2025, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Toward the finish of 2025, on the off chance that the convention executes its open democratic framework, which explicitly is genuinely huge, the organization could generally lose specific brokers, taking a chance with the cost to plunge close $1.80. Nonetheless, taking into account enhancements in bug counteraction frameworks, the cost may in every way that really matters sail in exceptionally normal figures close $2.61. Assuming Cardano effectively signals off certain undertakings, coordinated efforts, and new updates and truly brilliant agreements, which really is very critical, the ADA cost could strike in every practical sense limit of $3.49 toward the finish of 2025, which is genuinely critical. Cardano value forecast in a sort of significant manner. Assume Cardano keeps on zeroing in on traveling from a creating organization to a created one in an unpretentious manner. All things considered, we will find the convention expanding on its client base with a flood of more up-to-date clients, which explicitly is very critical. Be that as it may, assuming certainly bad discernments explicitly torment ADA's cost projection while the organization in every practical sense is still a work in progress in an unpretentious way, the bears could immediately jump all over the chance and for the most part control the year-end value focus to levels around 42 cents in an unobtrusive manner. What is Cardano? The Cardano network is likewise the world's very first companion looked into genuinely decentralized blockchain arrangement, which brags ADA as kind local digital currency drives that convention, which essentially is genuinely critical. It was made by ex-Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson and fundamentally was sent off in September 2017. The altcoin generally has a stock restriction of 45 billion tokens. Key examination. The blockchain sort of is split into two layers, in particular the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational layer, which is genuinely huge. The CSL animates the distributed exchanges inside the organization utilizing the Ouroboros system, and the especially savvy contract component basically is taken over by the CCL layer, permitting a consistent movement in the two sections in a significant way. In spite of the fact that Cardano explicitly utilizes a POS calculation, it utilizes a complicated variant marked Ouroboros POS in an unobtrusive manner. Ouroboros, in contrast to ordinary POS, makes time slots called an age, which explicitly is very critical. Every age has an opening chief picked by kind of different hubs in the space in a significant way. These pioneers do obstruct creation in every age, and every pioneer has an opportunity to do it in a truly significant manner. This lessens clog and expands TPS. 2017. Cardano's group raised genuinely more than $63 million during its ICO in an unpretentious manner. The market capitalization developed to more than $600 million by the 1st of October, which is genuinely huge. By the 29th of November, the altcoin shot up more than 142.4%, taking its market capitalization to $3.58 in a quite enormous manner. 2018, which essentially is very critical. In the absolute first month of the year, the altcoin's cost explicitly hit an ATH of $1.16. Notwithstanding falling into a negative snare, the cost basically descended to 4 cents before the year's over. 2019. ADA cost had in every practical sense started the year on a bullish note and figured out how to generally hit 5 cents on January 9th, which really is genuinely huge, heading on a downtrend. The cost commonly slipped to 3 cents on February 6th, however truly figured out how to sort of hit 10 cents on April 3rd. After a pullback to 5 cents and dreary endeavors, ADA cost hit 11 cents on the 26th of June, which is genuinely huge, pursuing delayed negative directions. ADA cost commonly tracked down help at 3 cents in December in an unpretentious way. 2020. Cardano had started the year at 3 cents and essentially rose to 6 cents by mid-February, or so they truly thought. In any case, amazingly fundamentally tumbled to 2 cents in spring, which sort of is genuinely huge. Heavy lashes brought the cost down from 15 cents to 7 cents by September end. The exchange for 2020 sort of was truly put to an end at 17 cents, or so they thought. 2021, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The year certainly had started on a bullish note, wherein the altcoin for the most part hit another ATH of $2.40, which is very huge. The market declined in May hauled the cost from $2 to $1.48 in a very significant manner. ADA cost fundamentally hit another ATH of $3.08 in the long stretch of August, which really is genuinely critical. Q4 was negative for Cardano as it lost more than half in valuation to end the year at $1.10 amazingly. Is Cardano in all things considered